guys, so this is how you mop. So you want to add about this much soap to your water. Go ahead and pause it if you need to. Then add hot steaming water right from the tap or the bathtub. Then grab this thing. It's called your mop. You put it into the mop bucket. Make sure it's the mop head, not this side. Sploosh, sploosh, sploosh. Get it full of water. Then if your thing has a way to drain it, use that or drain it yourself. Like that. So for example, if I were to spill my water by accident, then I'll use the mop to wipe it up. This is your control hand, and this is your movement hand. Alright, push it forward and back, forward and back, forward and back, until the mess is all gone. By mess all gone, I mean you don't see any more water. That's your mop fluid. That's how you mop. Feel free to pause at any moment. Bye.